Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip how to fix or how to solve the problem of line with good settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of line and you will click. In this window you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and